hot here now. Fuck, did they really need to take out this tree or that tree? Or this tree? Like the brush in the front, I don't mind, but holy cow. I'm like, this place is now hot. It's not a cool area to come and sit and have a coffee by. Where Tessa is over there, that used to be nice, shady. Now you can't build a coffee nook under it. Water's scummy, of course, because there's some sort of weird brown algae coming out of the sewer. I wish we could filter that so it doesn't pollute this. I wish we could plant like a filtering mechanism to clear the debris before it comes down this far and becomes like this garbage mud that nobody wants to swim in. I want a Wi-Fi antenna right up there. I want a coffee nook here, a bridge to the other side, land there. Bring your kids here, swim here. Bring your dogs here. Scraps fed from the back door. This should be a dog-friendly community. I don't get what the problem is. Why would you take out the trees? Fuck hell. So people gather here at night on disreputables. That means they're here, not out in the community. I don't see it happening. Fuck hell. Stupid. Absolutely fucking stupid. You build the coffee nooks around the trees. You bind the upper trees up. You don't take them out of the picture completely. You work around them. This is insane. This is like shoot your foot. I'm so mad.